Hello mga katekray! I am Alex and welcome to the Scribbler's vlog. So today we will do an unboxing and guess what it is? So we will unbox this Omega Aiden 400 ml stainless steel double wall tumbler. This one. So I bought this around last year and I forgot that I bought this one. So I'll open it now. So I bought this at SM Homeworld. The price is $299.75, almost 300. So let's see if it's worth. And what color will it be? Will it be red or blue? Let's see. Unboxing and oh, it's blue. Blue is life. Okay. This is it. It says here that the inside material is stainless steel 304. And let's see what stainless steel 304 looks like. Open it. Okay, so this is the inside. That is stainless steel 304. And the outside material is stainless steel 201. This must be it. Stainless steel 201. It's rubber, and the bottom is also rubber. Bottom is also rubber. Something. Let's see how this works. Okay, so this is the lid. This is the lid, and you just need to push this button. And the moment you push this button, this will open. This one. Yeah. And click to close. So let's see if it is really spill and leak proof, since they say that the key feature of this tumbler is the spill and leak proof. Choo-choo. I have water tumbler, another tumbler. So let's see, I'll add water, then let's cover. Oops. Yep, it is spill and leak proof. Nice one. And also it has excellent heat retention, but I can test it. Okay, so I also have other double wall tumbler, and it really keeps the temperature of the liquid inside hot and cold, so it can really retain the heat and the cold for a couple of hours. So this tumbler claims that it can retain heat for 6 hours and can retain the cold for 10 to 12 hours. We'll see. So since I entered college, I don't always have the time to eat or drink my favorite drinks like chocolate drinks, coffee, since I'm always in a hurry, and whenever I drink coffee, to only last the cold. I like ice cold coffees, and the cold will only last for a few minutes while I'm on class. And since I'm always busy, I don't have time to eat breakfast and even sleep, especially when I have a lot of laboratory reports and plates. So I think the double wall tumbler is very useful for us college students, since we're always busy and we're always on the go, and even without breakfast, can always bring this and have some Milo Energen. And after a long and tiring day at school, and you want to have something cold to drink like I usually do, you can just put the canteen's cold Milo here. Yes, CIT canteen's cold Milo is the best. Then yeah, it's a good pick. So my friends Joyce and Rina will tell you the other features of this double wall tumbler. Then let's see if you will buy one as well. And before anything else, I researched, prior to this vlog, I researched about double wall travel tumblers, and I found out that this tumbler has 2 layers, and the thing in between them might be empty, or there's an insulating foam. That's one way to retain the heat and the cold temperature. So yeah, my friends, will see you. Bye.
Yo guys, this is me, Rina Maricela Pena, and I am here to discuss the product features of Omega Stainless Steel Double Wall Travel Tumbler. Okay, to start with the first feature is it is leak proof and spill proof. So it means that this tumbler is always tightly closed. So you don't have to worry about your drinks spilling or leaking, because it is safe. It doesn't leak, it doesn't spill. So that's it for the first feature. And to proceed with the second one, it is shock resistant. So shock resistant meaning no matter how many times it will fall, it will still be of the same quality, it will still rise up. Just like us, no matter how many times we fall, we still rise up because we are strong and durable. Sharing. And then to proceed with the third one, this tumbler is dishwasher safe. Dishwasher safe. So it means that this tumbler can always be washed no matter what brand of soap you use and what type of sponge. So it will still be safe. And then the fourth one, food safe. So meaning you can put food in there, drinks, without worrying. so it doesn't produce chemical reactions or whatsoever. That's why you don't have to worry. It won't cause health issues on you. It is food safe. And then proceed with the last feature. It functions doubly. It has double function. You can, no, triple I guess. You can put hot drinks or cool drinks in there, or just tap water. So meaning it functions as a normal tumbler, a cooler, or a thermos. That's right. You can, whenever you travel or whenever you go to school, you usually want to put cold drinks, right? Because it is always the best option. So this tumbler is the best for that. And then, so to recall the product features, so we have leak proof and spill proof, shock resistant, dishwasher safe, food safe, and it could store hot and cold drinks. So yeah, that's it. Now let's proceed to the cautions upon using this product. So first and foremost is do not microwave it. Meaning, this tumbler is not a food. So you don't have to put it in a microwave because it might cause your house to become boom. It might cause explosions or sunog or fire. So be careful with that. Do not microwave it. Second is do not overfill the product because hot liquids may scald the user. It may cause injuries because, as I've said, this tumbler could store hot drinks. So you have to be careful. Do not overfill it because it might leak. Though I said that it's leak proof, but if it is so overfilled, that's kinda impossible. So you have to be careful with that because it may cause burns to the user. So yeah, that's the second caution. And then the third one, dairy or other liquid that spoil easily should not be kept in product for prolonged periods. So just like milk or juice, you can put it in there. Yeah, you are allowed to, but you must not put it in there for a very long time because it might spoil, causing a very unpleasant smell, and it might cause health issues on you. So be mindful of that. Then for the last caution, you have to keep it out of reach of children when product contains hot liquid because they might open the tumbler and the hot liquid would go injuring the child. So be careful of that. Okay, understand. And last one, this tumbler is also available in other colors like blue. So to know more about this product, please visit the Omega Houseware at Facebook. And yeah, I hope you liked this video, and I hope you understand clearly what I was saying because my English is so carabao. Yeah, so that's it, but guys, hope you have a good time. Stay safe always. God bless. Annyeong!